This is the Rock 11-inch frying pan from Starfrit. We use ours all the time. We've had it for several years. It is the best frying pan we've ever owned. It's got a non-stick surface to it, but it's not the same as those non-stick surfaces that typically start to peel off regularly. I love the fact that it's non-stick and I rarely have to add any butter or oil to the pan. I will add oil or butter to the pan if I'm doing eggs or pierogi, something that really likes to stick to a hot pan and is a little bit moist. But most of the time, especially when I'm doing meats and stuff like that, I don't have to add anything at all. And I love the fact that I don't have to add anything. We have this size as well as a smaller one that we use for, say, cooking just a single egg. This gets used several times a week. We absolutely love it. It warms up nice and quickly. And in the past, we've had frying pans that start to warp in the center after a while. This one hasn't done that, and I absolutely love that it doesn't do that. We don't have a dishwasher, so I have never used a dishwasher to clean it. I always clean it in hot soapy water, but it always cleans very easily and quickly with very little effort. Highly recommend, and if for some reason we ever need a new frying pan, we'll replace it with exactly the same one.